Hello friends, I am going to talk about a very important topic in today's video. Suppose you are a very good man, you are kind, compassionate and merciful, you love one and all, and there is a person in your society, he makes plan after plan to ruin your career and to ruin the career of one who is your I am going to talk about such a character, Cassio of Othello by William Shakespeare. Othello is a very popular tragedy of William Shakespeare. In this play, Cassio is a minor character, but he plays a major character in this play. He is a gentleman from Florentine. He is not from Venice. He is very kind, compassionate and merciful. He is a handsome young man. He is a soldier in the army of Othello. Othello, the general of his army, is so pleased with Cassio that he appoints him the lieutenant of his army, despite Iago, who is senior to Cassio in service. Cassio is a very gentleman. He is very noble. He does his duty sincerely and honestly. He is a trusted lieutenant of his general Othello. But he falls victim to villain Iago, who knows that Cassio is a very gentleman and he takes undue advantage of his humility and generosity. Cassio is a great lover. He loves all the women. He has a great weakness for all the women. He loves Desdemona from the core of his heart. He loves Bianca, but he is rude towards her because of some reasons. He also loves Emilia, the wife of Iago. Thus, Cassio is a very gentle man. But Iago makes undue advantage of his gentleness. He makes a plan not only to ruin the career of Cassio, the lieutenant, but also the life of Othello and his wife Desdemona. Cassio tells Iago, reputation. I have lost my reputation. Oh Iago, I have lost my reputation. Iago knows that Cassio is a very simple man. So, Iago makes him drink and under the influence of his drink, he acts according to the plan of Iago. He begins to fight with Roderigo, and he makes a very unruly scene, being the lieutenant of the army. Othello, the general of the army, looks at the indecent behavior of Cassio and he dismisses him from his job. Now, Iago makes plan against Cassio, Desdemona, and Othello as well. Iago convinces Othello that Cassio loves Desdemona. He goes to the extent of telling Othello that he has seen Cassio having slept with Desdemona. This makes Othello very furious, and one day he comes to the chamber of Desdemona. He kisses her repeatedly because Desdemona is a very sweet girl, gentle girl, beautiful girl. And then he throws pillow upon her mouth and strangulates her. This happens because he has suspicion that Cassio is in love with his wife Desdemona, because he finds Desdemona's handkerchief in the room of Cassio by trick of Iago. Then Cassio is dismissed from his job, and after being dismissed from job, Iago tells Cassio to go to Desdemona and plead her to reappoint him lieutenant of his army. This also strengthens the suspicion that Desdemona has illicit relationship with Cassio, and this results in the tragedy of Desdemona, Othello, and others. Dear students, you must have got sufficient ideas about the character of Cassio, and you will answer university question. You will answer questions on it in the university exams. Thank you very much.